Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to deploy BMC Helix Intelligent Integration Gateway using Podman container. Let's quickly go through the system requirement to install on-prem Intelligent Integration Gateway. Following are the system requirements. Hardware requirement that includes minimum CPU, memory and disk space. Operating system requirement for Podman. Software requirement for Podman and Podman Compose. Let's go through the detailed steps on how to deploy Intelligent Integration Gateway using Podman container. First, download the container images and utility file from EPD and keep it on the server where you want to deploy the on-premise gateway. Disable the SE Linux and reboot the server. Disable the firewall. Set the hostname variable in the patch profile and source the patch profile. Load the container image which was downloaded from the EPD in the step 2. Extract the utility file to the OPT BMC directory. Change the permission on the logs directory to 777. Create a destination JSON file with the following content and change the value of change me parameter with the appropriate value. Below are the steps to configure SSL on the Helix Intelligent Integration so customer can access the URL using HTTPS. Start the service using Podman Compose and access the BMC Helix Intelligent Gateway UI using the following URL. And last step is to import the destination JSON file which was created in step 10 by using backup restore option to create a destination on the UI. Okay, now let's start with the demo. As a prerequisite, Podman and Podman Compose should be installed on the server where you want to install on-prem Intelligent Integration Gateway. Here I am using RHEL 8 server and let's see how to install Podman and Podman Compose on the RHEL 8 server. Now I am installing Podman on the RHEL 8 server. Check the Podman version. Let's install Podman Compose on the RHEL 8 server with this command. Now the Podman Compose is installed successfully. Check the version of Podman and Podman Compose which is installed on the server. I have downloaded container image and utility file from the EPD in the application and SE Linux has been disabled and already disabled firewall. Setting the hostname variable in the batch profile. Now load the container images from the file which was downloaded earlier. This will take some time to load all the images. Once the images are loaded successfully, extract the utility files into the OPT BMC directory. Go to the HA directory and change the permission to 777 to the logs directory. Since I have loaded all the container images and extracted the necessary utility files, let's bring up the services using Podman Compose command. And this will take some time to bring up all the services. Let's check the services status, whether it is running or not. You can see that all the services are up and running. After starting the services using Podman Compose command, access the BMC Helix Intelligent Integration UI by using following URL. Once you are on the UI page, create the destination by importing destination.json file which was created earlier by selecting backup and restore option. You can see that destination is created successfully. Now Intelligent Integration Gateway is ready to configure source connector to stream the data. Thank you for watching this video.